Visiting Kuala Lumpur? Feeling overwhelmed by all the options? Don't worry, this 3-day guide has got you covered. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, I'll show you how to see the very best of KL without missing a beat. Kuala Lumpur is a city that's full of surprises. Towering skyscrapers, lush parks, historic landmarks, and mouth-watering street food. It has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a shopaholic, KL has you covered. Stick around because in this video, I'll take you through an easy-to-follow 3-day itinerary that will make your trip unforgettable. You'll know exactly where to go, what to eat, and how to experience the best of Malaysia's capital without missing a thing. Day 1. Exploring the iconic landmarks. Let's kick off your adventure in Kuala Lumpur with some of the city's most iconic landmarks. Day 1 is all about exploring the heart of KL's modern skyline and indulging in its vibrant street culture. Morning. Start your day at the world-famous Petronas Twin Towers. These stunning architectural marvels are not just a symbol of Kuala Lumpur. They're a symbol of Malaysia's progress and pride. Head up to the observation deck for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Once you've soaked it all in, take a leisurely stroll through KLCC Park right below. It's a green oasis where you can snap amazing pictures of the towers from different angles, or just relax by the fountains. Midday. For lunch, head into Surya KLCC, the shopping mall at the base of the towers. Not only does it have high-end shops, but you'll also find plenty of dining options to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're in the mood for international cuisine or local dishes like nasi lemak, you're in for a treat. Afternoonies. Next, make your way to Menara Kuala Lumpur, also known as KL Tower. It's one of the tallest towers in the world, and the observation deck offers a different yet equally stunning view of the city. If you're feeling adventurous, check out the Skybox, a glass cube that lets you stand above the city for some heart-racing photos. Evening. Wrap up your day with a visit to Jalan Alor Night Market. This place comes alive after sunset, with countless food stalls serving everything from satay skewers to char kway teow. Grab a plate, find a spot, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. The mix of sizzling sounds, delicious smells, and colorful lights make it a feast for all your senses. And there you have it. Day 1 in Kuala Lumpur is packed with unforgettable experiences. Trust me, it's just the beginning of an amazing journey. Day 2. Immerse yourself in culture and history. Day 2 is all about diving into the rich cultural and historical side of Kuala Lumpur, where you'll experience the city's heritage and traditions up close. Start your morning with a visit to the iconic Batu Caves, a must-see destination just outside the city. This stunning limestone hill features a series of caves and temples, with the towering golden statue of Lord Murugan at its entrance. Climb the 272 colorful steps leading up to the caves, and once inside, you'll be amazed by the grand interior and its cultural significance to the Hindu community. For midday, head to the National Mosque of Malaysia, also known as Masjid Negara. Its modern Islamic architecture and serene surroundings make it a peaceful place to learn about Malaysia's spiritual traditions. Right nearby is the Islamic Arts Museum, where you can explore fascinating exhibits showcasing Islamic artifacts, calligraphy, and textiles from around the world. In the afternoon, take a trip back in time at Merdeka Square, a historic site where Malaysia declared its independence. The square is surrounded by striking colonial architecture, including the Sultan Abdul Samad building. It's a great spot for photos and to soak in the significance of this historic landmark. For the evening, dive into Kuala Lumpur's nightlife at Bukit Bintang, the city's vibrant entertainment hub. This area is buzzing with energy, offering a mix of trendy bars, upscale restaurants, and street-side eateries. Whether you want to shop, dine, or just people watch, Bukit Bintang has something for everyone to end your day on a high note. Day 2 lets you connect with Kuala Lumpur's cultural roots while enjoying its modern vibrancy, giving you a well-rounded experience of the city. Day 3. Discover nature and hidden gems. Day 3 is all about unwinding, exploring hidden gems, and soaking in the city's charm one last time. It's the perfect way to round off your trip to Kuala Lumpur and start your morning at the serene Perdana Botanical Garden, a lush green escape in the heart of the city. Take a relaxing stroll through the beautifully landscaped gardens, spot exotic plants, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. If you're a fan of nature, this is the ideal place to recharge and reflect on your journey so far. For midday, head over to Kuala Lumpur's Chinatown, a bustling area filled with character. Explore its vibrant streets lined with traditional shops, temples, and street vendors. This is the perfect spot to try authentic Malaysian dishes at a hawker stall. Think spicy laksa, Hainanese chicken rice, or a steaming bowl of beef noodles. In the afternoon, make your way to Central Market, a cultural hotspot that's great for souvenir shopping. From handmade crafts to local artwork, you'll find unique treasures to take home as a reminder of your trip. Don't forget to check out the nearby Castery Walk, an open-air market with even more shopping and food options. For your final evening, treat yourself to dinner with a view at a rooftop bar overlooking the city's glittering skyline. Whether it's the iconic Petronas Twin Towers or the bustling streets below, the panoramic views will make for a magical ending to your Kuala Lumpur adventure. Pair the scenery with a delicious meal or a refreshing drink, and toast to an unforgettable trip. Day 3 is all about slowing down, enjoying the little things, and reflecting on your Kuala Lumpur experience before heading home. It's the perfect way to wrap up your 3 days in this incredible city. Practical tips for travelers. Now that you have your itinerary sorted, here are some practical tips to make your trip to Kuala Lumpur smooth and enjoyable. Best ways to get around. Getting around Kuala Lumpur is easy and convenient. The public transport system is well connected, with options like the LRT, MRT, and monorail covering most of the city. It's affordable and efficient for getting to major attractions. If you prefer more flexibility, Grab, the Southeast Asian version of Uber, is widely available and perfect for door-to-door service. And don't forget, walking is a great option too, especially in areas like Bukit Bintang or around KLCC where everything is close by. Accommodation suggestions for every budget. Kuala Lumpur offers a range of accommodations no matter what your budget is. Budget. If you're traveling on a tight budget, you'll find plenty of guest houses and budget hotels in Chinatown. These places offer great value, a local vibe, and easy access to attractions. Mid-range. For a comfortable stay without breaking the bank, look for hotels near Bukit Bintang. This area is full of trendy hotels and is within walking distance of shopping, dining, and nightlife spots. Luxury. If you want to go all out, check out the luxurious resorts around the KLCC area. These hotels offer top-notch amenities, stunning views of the city, and are right next to the iconic Petronas Twin Towers. Cultural tips. To make your experience even more enjoyable, here are a few cultural tips to keep in mind. Language. While English is widely spoken in Kuala Lumpur, learning a few words in Malay will go a long way in making connections. For instance, terima kasih means thank you, and locals will appreciate it when you use it. Etiquette. When visiting temples or religious sites, be respectful and remember to remove your shoes before entering. It's a common practice in Malaysia and shows respect for local customs. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll have a smoother and more culturally immersive experience during your time in Kuala Lumpur. Enjoy every moment and make the most of this incredible city. I hope this guide helps you plan your perfect 3 days in Kuala Lumpur. But now, I want to hear from you. What's the first spot you'd visit in KL? Or did I miss one of your favorite places? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and help out fellow travelers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's planning their trip to this amazing city. And hey, if you want more travel tips, itineraries, and guides, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.